Welcome back to our video. So I am Zayaan, this is Jenna. So today we're gonna open a brand new toy. It's all about magnetics. So this is the magnetic toy. Let's see what different shapes it has. Oh, it has the squares and it has a car. There are two cars. And there's a booklet that teach how to make some things. So Jenna, show them. So this is how you can make anything. You can make this, or you can make a car. Or you can make a car or a house. So first I'm going to open this shape. So the first shape we open is a triangle. It is a big triangle. It's this. And there's another one. It turns into a big pizza. If you make more, it turns into a pizza. So now we're going to open the other shape. It's the green one. Take this one out. Now we're gonna open that one. Whoa, that thing is huge. This thing is really huge. So this is a big square to put it on the bottom. Like if you make a house, you're gonna put this on the bottom. And if you make it from here, you can put this thing on the top. Then put the other small thing 4 sides, and it has 1 corner and 2 corners and 3 corners and 4 corners. There are 4 sides and 4 corners. Or you can do this. You can make it like this too. Wow. The next shape is the square. Or we have these things like a waffle. Then the next shape is square and a triangle. Woo! Triangle. This is a diamond. Or if you take it out, it's triangle. And now it's a diamond. If you put 2 of these, it's going to become a waffle square. So let me take it out. So now I got it. And look what this is. It's a waffle. Also, we have a small square. And we have 2 corners. Let's see if I can do something. Wow. Got it now. Yay. Whoa. These are so many in this case. This is yours. This is mine. Now I'm going to make something cool. So now it's time to build now it's time to build. So I am making a car. And Jenna might make something. Wait a second, I know. Maybe I can use these big ones. Oh. I didn't know that was for you. This is easy. So I am making this car. Let's see what Jenna's making. Whoa, she made that tower. That's nice, Jenna. There we go, 2 more pieces left. Wow! Yay! Yay! I need to put the roof on. This roof is... Now where's the last one? Hey, I need one roof, please. Okay, here you go. I already have. What? And we have more things. Now it's time to build. We have small square. We have small triangles. Thank you. So now where are the other ones? Here they are. Whoa. So I'm gonna find more. So now it's time to make a different thing. Whoa, this is so nice. I can make something else. No, Jenna, look. They're magnetic, so it's supposed to stick, okay? House, I know. I want to make a house. House? Yeah. Wow. So, first, you need these holes to let the wind come. The last one, put this on top. Then you need triangles. Wow! What are the triangles? What? Whoa! Jenna! Whoa, this is a door! I'm gonna take this part out. Oops. The 2 doors? And 1 triangle. Look! That's yours, Jenna. Okay? So you can make anything else. Like making. So this is Jenna's house. No, Jenna, you can't break. And we have these big squares to make a big thing. This is how you make a big house. You want a big house? I am making it, Jenna. Jenna, here's your house I'm making for. Look what I'm making, Jenna. I'm going to leave 2 of these pieces. And there's going to be one right here. Whoa! Jenna! You're in my stuff. Here you go. That's your big house. You can't break it. And you broke the whole roof. What I'm making is this. Triangle sword. I am gonna make a castle. Wait, Jenna, let me build it. Okay, I'm gonna make this. So this is a tall building that people live. Oops, what? Mama. What I made, a biggest tower. So can I give this to you? Okay. But you can build your own. And what? I forgot these windows. I didn't notice this was here. A window. That's it for today. So I hope you join our video. So next time we're gonna make more. Bye. Jenna, say bye. Bye.